Hello Marymede Catholic College community. I hope that you've had a fantastic week. As you're aware, recently we've appointed our Year 12 school leaders for the coming 12 months, and it's with great pleasure that this morning I introduce to you Deanna and Owen, our college captains for the next 12 months, and they're going to say a few words to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Deanna Murray-Church, and as Ms Newcomb said, I'll be one of the new college captains. My main focus as college captain for the next coming year is to make sure people feel both seen and heard, especially by those in the community. It is vital to me that people do feel safe here at the school and people feel safe enough to go towards others and both towards me and Owen for any ideas and issues that they feel are important within the school.
Hi, my name is Owen Nyanga. My main focus and my main message for next year is to seek discomfort. I want to get a message out to the community to be different, be unique, and do your best to make a positive impact in your environment.
Thanks Deanna, thanks Owen. We've got some great leaders here at the school, all the way through the primary school and into the secondary school, and we look forward to their voice being heard and the positive impact that they're going to have on the college over the course of the next 12 months. As I mentioned to the students at Assembly on Monday, students don't need to have a badge or an official role to be a leader at the school. All students are invited to contribute, to have influence, and to help make our college community stay the wonderful learning community that it is. Have a great weekend, everyone.